Coming up on Falcon Weekly, get ready to see what the newest dorm has to offer. Falcon Weekly starts now. New Res is the newest dorm on campus, and it has been said to be the best fitting for most students. Gerald Cunningham lives in New Res, and he believes that it has some better things to offer.
I'm competitive.
One of the perks of living in New Res is that they actually give you a refrigerator, so you don't have to go out and buy your own refrigerator if you want to, and you also don't have to get a fridge sticker, and you also get a microwave, so it takes out the advantage of having a mini fridge.
But that's not all that New Res has to show for.
New Res has a conference room, and New Res also has a TV room, but New Res is one of the only dorms that has a TV room that has a plasma screen, like a flat screen. We have a game room as well, and it has a foosball table, a pool table, a cue table, an air hockey table, and a lot of different things similar to the things that in the game room in Moe's. That a lot of other dorms don't have. Other dorms have like ping pong. We also have a study room on every floor, so you don't have to share a study room, and we also have a lobby.
New Res, being the newest dorm on campus, has slightly more security than the rest. For instance, for the elevator, people have to get their swipe it, and then press the button. I'll show you. While most have problems with roommates, New Res residents feel at ease with one another.
It's a lot easier to deal with my roommates in New Res than it is in other dorms because we still have that solitude in our dorm rooms because we can pretty much close our door and still isolate ourselves when we need that time.
New Res is a residence hall that could give students a more comfortable feel of living. Oh, and let's not forget that it is also co-ed. Reporting for Falcon Weekly, I'm Carrington Case.